For the longest time, dentures were the only solution to replace missing teeth. Unfortunately, dentures came along with a whole host of problems. Dentures can look good, but patients can't really eat very well with them. There's a lot of studies that have shown that your bite force with dentures is reduced by about 70 to 80%. The All-on-X solution actually solves all of the problems that were associated with dentures. It is the closest solution to your natural teeth. Patients don't have to mess with teeth that come in and out of the mouth. They can eat whatever they like. And most importantly, the All-on-X helps preserve the integrity of the bone and the integrity of the gums so they don't continue to shrink. As far as long-term maintenance for All-on-X, it's actually almost as easy as maintaining your natural teeth. You just come in twice a year, just like when you had your natural teeth. As far as your own maintenance home, brushing, of course, is absolutely necessary, but we also recommend water flossing just to make sure that everything is kept nice and clean. Don't hesitate another day. Please call Renew Dental Implants for your free consultation today, and let's get you on your journey to a new smile and a new life.